Life often looks easy. Filtered moments, happy posts, quick smiles. But behind the highlights, life gets real. Pressure, responsibilities, disappointments, uncertainty. These are the struggles many quietly carry every day. Sometimes we run to distractions, anything to escape the weight. But real strength isn't found in avoidance, it's found in faith. When life feels overwhelming, trusting God anchors the soul. Faith grows deeper, not in comfort, but in moments. And we're not meant to face it alone. God places people in our lives to remind us we are not alone. So when life gets real, where do you run? And who do you trust most? Be brave to face when life gets real. Today on Good Morning Pastor.
When life gets real, mga kapaglaman, how do we manage life when it gets tough sa atong tough? Kung atong makauban karon, we are so privileged tungod kay makikauban ka nato karon ang Adventist Muslim Relation Coordinator gikan sa Zamboanga Peninsula Mission. Let us welcome sa atong segment diri sa Good Morning Pastor, Pastor Rani De Vera. Good morning, Pastor, and welcome
Pastor.
to Panipaya.
Hi, good morning. Thank you for having me. Salamat kayo.
Yes.
Salamat sa pagmatag sa iyo, Pastor.
Yes, we were discussing about managing life when gets tough. Kaning pag-manage nato sa kinabuhi, Pastor, pero lisod na kayo. Usay kuya, uy, makaingan beta nga. Unsaon naman tani, Pastor. But
Okay,
then,
usahay ter sa ato ang labi na sa mga business. Mahita mo manage sa business pero ang atong kaugalingon di ta kabalo mo manage.
inoon yun na siya. Yes, Pastor. When life gets real, Pastor, and challenges, kaning mga challenges mo abot, Pastor, no? What are the common, usa ang mga common struggles yun nga atong gina-face sa ing-ani nga panahon, Pastor?
Basically, making both ends meet. Especially if you're a family man, ang pinakalami biyang nga kinabuhi, ang estudyante.
Oh,
Mangayo ramang
Murang
ka.
tinuod yun na,
Right?
Pastor.
However, when you graduate from college, you start thinking about employment, and then, of course, getting married and so on and so forth. Kanabot ang putting food on the table, with all the bills,
Correct.
with all the problems and challenges of life. Sometimes you say, how do I do this? Lami man sa dyan dito, mangayo naman ta.
Mangayo rin. Unyang magtrabaho, pati ng kapuya.
Tinod bito na, Pastor, no? Kamar sa gingan siya, may pa nag-eskwela kay kung mo ano ka, Pastor, kung naana ka nagtrabaho, nakakuya uwing mo ingon, jud ka nga, may pa estudyante na lang ko.
Lagi.
You know, of course, my employment, for example, you think it's that's it, okay ka na. Pero pag nala ka sa workplace mo, you desire for more. You want to get a better position, higher salary, you know, all this. So, doon ay mga instances you say, murag wa kay satisfaction. There's something you're looking for, gusto ka nga makapot ng something, no? And sometimes you get confused altogether. Kay daghan, you know, it's like a kaleidoscope of problems and challenges in life.
Correct, correct. So Pastor, kaning nay mga daghan nga mga tao ba nga dili sila gitawag ni sila nga mudangop sila sa kanang dili sila didto sila mudangop sa kanang temporaryo lang nga kalingawan ba instead nga ilahang pagtuo ilang atubangon nga makapaligon sa ilaha ngano man
Okay, there are cases when life is like a humdrum na, komo na kaayo,
Yes.
you want a diversion. Ngita ka og outlet. Unfortunately, your choices makes life so real na ang choices nimo ngita ka og kalingawan, as you say, right? Let me give you example. No offense to the players, people go to scatter.
Correct.
Tinuod na,
It's
Pastor.
gambling.
Yes.
You know? And you think you earn money, at the end of the day, you're losing and you get depressed. You
Yes.
see? So is that a form of entertainment? Some go, of course, may mga vices sila. They think it will suffice. They think it will provide you what you're looking for. But at the end of the day, something is hollow. You're back to square one. May
Yes.
problema kang gyapon.
Correct.
So what diversion are you looking for? You know? Ang siguro, I think, the only consolation you can have is the God factor.
Yes.
Mura man ang makigot, Ginoo.
Per daghan man gid tao pastor nga mo resort gyud ayan ang mga temporary, especially kana bitang murag lisod kay ang panahon kuya, murag makaano sila ba nga murag kapoy namang gyud mangita sila usahay o
makarelax
maana
sila kung kalingon.
oo pero
Right.
there's a danger on that pastor no kana mga temporary
Definitely.
nga mga ano because people think manggod nga na fuel sa ila ang mind to nga medyo okay na ko tungod kay naka murag they get relieved sa katong nga temporary ba but then in the long run there's a distraction to that kay kana bitong scatter pastor just to ano murag kuan siya addicting siya kuya kanang murag naay mga naay mga mechanic sa games nato karon nga ipadaog-padaog pa ka pastor so imo mabus ang imong ano ba nga la nakadaog ko but then murag it's like a gamble ba nga
It is a
So,
gamble.
Oh,
nalitag ka, murag nalitag
oh nalitag ka nga at the end of the day ka nag-lose na di ay ko katungod kay gipaano lang ka sa first nagipadaog-daog ka
Okay,
but
you win. You win, pero when you look at it, sumang total,
Lulus
alkat pakapil, di ka
ka.
nagyapon ka.
Yes.
And they have a saying, nakalalom ang samad, nagkaisog. Which means, the more you lose, the more you want to get it back more.
yes true na
That thinking.
pastor
However, there's something I'd like to discuss this, no? My background is psychology, right? Karon, no time in history is this age nga people turn to suicide. Hopeless. I mean, so
Yes.
depressed. No? And because they're depressed, they resort to suicide. Imagine,
Correct.
batanon pa, maghikog. You know, this is becoming a trend right now. I don't know what will happen kini ang atong problema karon with the high rise of
Yes.
goods and services. Kay domino effect man gud na because of what's going on in the Middle East. However, again, what would make sense is the God factor.
Yes.
I mean, when you have nowhere to turn to God. He's just waiting, you know.
Correct.
Pastor, so how can a person really rely on God given the situation no? Kani nga mga circumstance karon or kaning crisis nga atong gaka-experiensyahan karon because it's very easily said than done, di ba nga usahay nga murelay lang gito sa Ginoo but then unsaon man gid nato pastor how can a person really rely on God given the circumstances nga
All right.
nato karon?
Good question. That is very relevant, no? God factor. Kasakali nato when in good times, God seems to be occupy second place. Diba? Karon, when you are
In trouble.
great need, you're in trouble,
Yes.
you are in a situation nga,
Yes.
murag, you know, and then you say, okay, I turn to God, but how well do you know God? Diba? The God factor. How can you trust this being? Na He can solve your problems or at least alleviate your suffering. Listen kayo if you are not used to it. Diba? And mo na nga, you have people who get depressed, they don't know what to do, asa paikon, you know. Listen kayo.
Correct.
However, excuse me.
Klose pa rin, pastor.
So, ang the God factor will make a lot of sense, especially if you know this God. And if you know this God, you can trust this God.
Pastor, kana sa time ba, unsaon nato nga magpalig-on sa atong pagtuo labi na dili lang sa maayong panahon nga mabot sa atong kinabuhi labi na sa kalisod. Unsaon nato ni nga mas malig-on pa gyud atong
okay.
pagtuo.
Let's face this, all right? I will be a hypocrite. We have our low times,
Yes.
even in our spiritual life. Not every pastor is always on the upside.
Correct.
We have our downside also. And these are challenges. For example, I'm a pastor. Tapos, moabot po na ang depression sometimes. You have your worries. Kaya naamagoy mga problems na gaabot.
Correct.
And sometimes it is too insurmountable na dako na kaya mo di na kaya ni.
Correct.
So where do you turn to? Muna nga, gani ko, I'm saying, if you know this God through the scriptures and you have a relationship with Him, then, ginoo din nako ni kaya. You just have to take over. You know what? Ako, frankly speaking, I have this big problem. And I tell God, Lord, di ko ni kaya. I'm going to sleep, bahala ka na.
Correct.
Oh.
Lagi.
So I turn it over and then I forget all about it. And many times also, I quit planning. Why? Gaplano ka, di maumo ang resulta.
Mao lagi.
Have you experienced that?
Correct. Tama pa.
Di ba?
Oh.
Gaplano ka, di man mauni akong plano.
Ang imong gusto
Di ba?
ni
You get
tao.
diverted somehow.
Correct.
So true.
Right.
Yes.
So, me, personally, I quit planning. So, Ginoo, just take me. Show me where I must be tuloy ko. Bahala na. Kaya
Surrender.
without money, with or without money, I'll go.
Oh.
And that has been my one voice. So when I sleep, Ginoo, di ko ni kaya.
Yes.
Muna, di ko ni kaya.
Correct.
I'm out of solutions. I'm out of options.
Yes.
Imo na ni.
Yes.
Usahay
Pastor,
mo gud Pastor no sa atong tawanon kulang lang tagpagsalig.
pagsalig og pagtuo.
Pagtuo kay usahay kung mawala na sa tuwa namon gud pagduwa-duwa din Pastor.
Let me pick that up.
Oh.
Ganahan ka, mayroon ka nga, sayon kayo nga musalig in good times. But when you're in dire need, kanang what lang yun ka, what you do? I have a
Yeah.
person tell me, Pastor, sa CR magani, iluhod magani ko.
Correct. Oo.
Pero wala.
Wala
gihapon.
gapon.
Oh.
No, I mean, that was his last resort. He was crying, I cannot do this. Sa CR nagluhod. Can you imagine yourself doing that?
Okay.
Pastor, unsa atong message karon sa atong mga viewers given nga with all these life struggles and when life gets really real, how can we support also other people who are going through
Good
this?
question. There is a principle. You cannot give what you do not have. If you have this relationship with this God, nakaila ka sa iya ha, you've gone through many things together. You are on a journey and you find yourself, and then somebody comes in nga may problema, you're able to share because ang ato experience, klase-klase ba ya?
Correct.
You have a different experience,
Correct.
you do have,
Correct.
I have my own journey. You see, struggle di siya tanan. And this is what the Lord wants. Come as you are. Unsa man ang imo nga worry, just leave it to Him.
Yes.
And then, when somebody comes up, nga may problema, then you're able to share, this is my experience, this is my journey. Like I said, you cannot give something you do not
That
have.
will have, yes.
Right? So if you have this experience with God, you share, why don't you try the Lord? Sorry, good. If God can be real to you because He is real to me the last time I checked.
So let's get real good mga kapaglaw.
Right.
Ato
Yeah,
lagi
Pastor.
nang total surrender dek ka sa
Okay.
ang atong mga worries ni ana mga kapaglaw. No? So thank you so
Thank you,
much
Pastor.
ang
Nindot
atong
na kay itong diskusyon.
AMR
Well-
na coordinator gikan sa Zamboanga Peninsula Mission.